In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an archived board in Monday.com. If you've archived a board by mistake or you simply need to bring back a board you're ready to use again, the good news is that Monday.com makes this process fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Monday.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or area where the board was originally stored. This is important because archived content is usually tied to the workspace it came from. Next, go to your workspace menu or your account menu, depending on how your version of Monday.com is laid out. The exact location can vary slightly based on updates to the interface, but you're looking for the section that gives you access to workspace settings or management options. From there, open the Archived Boards section, which may also be labeled as Archives. Once you're in the archive area, you'll see boards that have been removed from active view, but not permanently deleted. Browse through the list carefully and find the specific board you want to restore. If you have a lot of archived items, it may help to slow down and double check the board name so you restore the correct one. After you locate the right board, click the Restore or Unarchive option next to it. Monday.com may ask you to confirm the action before making the change. If that confirmation window appears, go ahead and approve it. This step is there to prevent accidental restores, especially if multiple people work in the same workspace. Once the restore is confirmed, the board should be moved back into your active workspace. To make sure everything worked correctly, return to the workspace and look through your available boards. You should now see the restored board listed again and ready to open. If the board doesn't appear immediately, give the page a quick refresh or navigate out and back into the workspace. Sometimes the interface just needs a moment to update, and that's it. Restoring an archived board in Monday.com is a simple process once you know where to look. Follow these steps carefully, confirm the restore, and then verify that the board is back in your workspace and available to use again.